Cable robbing you blind? The average cable bill hits over $100 a month, and it goes up every single year. I got tired of it. So I spent several days testing IPTV providers to find real cable replacements that don't trap you with hidden renewal fees. Fair warning, I found some serious red flags out there: providers that vanish after payment, or give you a trial that works great, then the real server is a disaster. Today I'm sharing my actual top 3 picks. Let's get into it. Provider number 1, IPTV with box. This Canadian provider surprised me. I tested it during a live Premier League match and a movie back-to-back, zero buffering, crisp picture. Their 3-month plan runs 48 Canadian dollars, which is around $34 US. Their 12-month plan is 78 Canadian dollars, roughly $55 US. That's a huge saving over cable for a full year. They offer over 10,000 channels plus a solid VOD library. One light drawback: payment options are a bit limited compared to others. But the stability impressed me. Provider number 2, Kemo IPTV. I tested Kemo during a Champions League night, genuinely held up under peak load, no freezing at the key moments. Their 3-month plan is $29 US and the 6-month plan is $36 US. No 12-month option listed, but the 6-month price is already very competitive per month. Strong multi-device support, and a clean EPG-made navigation easy. Small note, no annual plan if you prefer locking in a full year up front. Check their site for longer options. Provider number 3, Marinios IPTV. Marinios gave me a strong showing during a basketball playoff game, and an evening binge of a drama series. Picture quality stayed consistent throughout. Their 3-month plan is $29 US, and the 12-month plan is $63 US. That works out to around $5.25 per month, which is genuinely hard to beat. Huge channel lineup with international sports. Minor drawback: the interface takes a day or 2 to get used to. But once you're in, it's smooth. All my tests were done using Visiona, our completely free player available on the App Store and Google Play at visiona.tv. Now the verdict. Number 1, IPTV with box, best overall value and rock-solid stability. Number 2, Kemo IPTV, great peak hour performance. Number 3, Marinios IPTV, lowest cost per month on the 12-month plan. All 3 links are in the description and pinned comment below. Cut the cable, keep the quality.